Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So just to give a little bit of a further update to Friday's announcement, I suppose, of the fact that we're having a little bit of trouble with our dispatch at the moment with the couriers. Yesterday, Monday, was a public holiday in Victoria, so obviously that slowed us down a bit more. So if you are waiting on a delivery, just be aware that it could be a few days longer than it normally is. So I do apologise for that, but unfortunately those sort of things are very much outside of our control. We are working on the courier issue. We don't have an immediate solution, but we do have a longer term solution. So stand by for further information on that when we can get it to you. Stick around for this week. We've got a couple of exciting unboxings coming in later on this week, and we've also got live stream on Friday. Definitely tune in for that. It'll be a lot of fun. I can't remember the date for this Friday, which is terrible, but it'll be on this Friday, 2:30 Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. And I think it's the last time I say that because I think we get rid of daylight savings after this week. So yeah, stay tuned. It'll be fun. I'll be there. Hopefully Matt will be there, and we'll drag in some others as well. We might even do a special and we'll have a bit of a laugh. All right, talk again soon. See ya.